Let us see a quick demo of updating connector information using Excel Importer. As you can see, the connector name, stereotype, and alias details need to be updated. Source multiplicity and target multiplicity details are to be updated. To update these connector information, you have to export the connector GUID information. Replace the source and target GUID with the respective names. Save the Excel sheet. Navigate MS Office Excel Import and hit Profile Manager. Add new and enter the profile name. Select the updated Excel sheet. Select the worksheet and hit Next. Select column name as type in drop-down. Map the connector good column as good in the EA connector property to update and map the other respective fields for the connector. For source and target multiplicity and alias, use the More Properties option. Hit Next. Hit Create and the connector profile is now created. Choose the updated Excel sheet. Select the respective worksheet and connector profile. Check the Enable Synchronization. You can preview the connector details to be imported. Hit Import. As you can see, the connector details are updated. Hope this video finds helpful.